The Jackal and the Lion.
A hungry jackal once suddenly came across a lion that was on his way home.
What do you want?
I cannot hope to escape. It would be wiser to play humble. My lord, please let me be your humble servant.
All right.
How lucky I am. I don't have to worry for food anymore.
Follow me.
When they reached the lion's den,
If you do as I tell you, your requirements will be well taken care.
Your word is my command, my lord.
Good. You will go to the top of the mountain each day and see if there are any animals roaming in the valley below.
And if I see one, my lord?
You will come and tell me about it. Then you will say, "Shine forth in all your might, my lord." Then after I have killed the animal and eaten my fill, you may take what's left.
so the next day the jackal went to the mountain top and saw an elephant. He sped back to the lion and fell at his feet.
My king, I have seen an elephant. Go forth and shine in all your might, my lord.
The lion killed the elephant and ate his fill.
Now you may eat the rest.
As the days went by, the jackal grew fatter and fatter, but alas, he grew less and less humble. One day,
Why should I live on leftover food? I too am a four-legged creature. Why work for the lion when I could kill elephants and buffaloes for myself? After all, the lion only gets his strength from the magic phrase, "Go forth and shine in all your might."
he appealed to the lion.
My lord, I have lived for too long on what you kill. I would like to eat an elephant I have killed myself.
The lion was silent for a while.
What a foolish idea. He will be killed. Oh, poor jackal. Only lions can kill elephants. Give up this silly idea and be happy to eat what I kill.
Please, my lord, don't deny me this chance. I will wait here while you go to the mountaintop. When you see an elephant, come to me and say, "Go forth and shine in all your might, jackal," and I am sure to kill it.
At last, the lion gave in.
Okay, I will do it.
A little later, the lion came back.
I have just spied an elephant coming this way. Go forth and shine in all your might, jackal.
The jackal sprang up and walked majestically on the trail of the elephant.
I will catch him by the throat and kill him.
Sprang at the elephant but missed him and fell on its feet. The puzzled elephant just walked over him, and that was the end of the foolish jackal.